Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna fix this problem 800F081F.net. So this is an .net framework error which can be solved by following few steps. You must have seen many videos in YouTube, but I definitely make you sure that in this video you can easily solve this problem 100%. So let's begin with the thing. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu, on the search bar, you have to type services. You have to double click on the services now. Once the services bar would be open, you have to find out background intelligent services. You have to double click on that. And on the startup type, you just have to click on disabled and you have to click on stop. Afterward, you have to apply, then click OK. Once you have done this, you have to find out Windows update. It must be on the lower side. See, you have to double click on the Windows update now. On the startup type, you just have to disable it. And you have to stop this now. Afterward, you have to apply and click OK. Then again, now you have to open the C drive. On the C drive, you have to double click on the Windows folder. Now in this, you have to find out system software distribution. You have to select all those folders in this folder. You have to select all those and delete all those things. Once you have done this, afterward again you have to go on services. Again you have to find background intelligent services. Now you have to change the startup type to automatic, then click on apply, then you have to start it again and click OK. After that, you have to find out Windows update. You have to double click on that, change the startup type to automatic, then click apply, then start, then click OK. Then you have to restart your PC and see your problem will definitely irrigate it. So this is the thing you have just to follow it. If you like this video, then give a thumbnail to this video. Even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any problem regarding Windows, you can comment on a comment section. I will definitely help you out individually of any problem regarding Windows. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.